6 ways to prioritize your work. Before we start, remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Prioritizing your work is an extremely important part of being successful. By organizing your work, you will find it less difficult to finish. You will also be less likely to procrastinate, which is a damaging behavior you should always avoid. Knowing what needs to be done and the most efficient order for finishing your tasks is the best way to begin your day. Try making a list each morning of your tasks for the day. There are several ways you can prioritize your tasks. You can try one of these 6 ways, or make your lists while considering all 6 ways. The way you decide to organize is up to you. Everyone works best in a slightly different way. If you are unsure which way would work best for you, try one way each day and see which concept you like best. Due date. The most common way a person can prioritize their work is by the due date. When you know when something must be finished, it is easier to find the time to finish it by its due date. Making lists of things that must be accomplished for the day is a great way to prioritize your work. If you know you have a task due on Tuesday, then obviously it would rank higher on your list than one due on Friday. If your tasks do not have any concrete due dates, assign them due dates yourself. By giving yourself a time frame to accomplish the work, you will likely be more productive. Weight. Tasks that weigh heavily on your mind may fall at the top of your list of prioritizing your work. When you prioritize your work, keep in mind that some things may need to be done first, just to get them off of your mind. If you have a task that is weighing heavy on your mind, you may not be able to accomplish much until you complete it. When you prioritize, be sure to put these tasks near the top of your list. By getting them out of the way, you will be able to get everything else done with the least amount of stress. Length. Another way to prioritize your work is by length. This is great for students or workers who must do writing projects. You can also group items by the amount of time they will take, which is basically the same. If a task will take a long time, then you probably want to work on it for more than one day. Therefore, put it near the top of the middle of your list each day so that you will have time to work on it each day. If you must get a long project done in one day, consider doing it first. This way you can use your morning energy to get you through the task. If you save it for the end of the day, you will likely be tired and stressed with the task. Passion. If you are a person who is controlled mostly by their emotions, then consider prioritizing your tasks by passion. This means that you will essentially put the tasks you feel strongest about near the top of your list. If you are excited about a particular task, then you should put it near the top of your daily list. Likewise, if you are dreading a task, you may want to get it out of the way first so you can concentrate on the rest of the day when it is finished. Location. If your daily tasks involve traveling, then it is only right to prioritize your tasks by location. Grouping weekly tasks by location can save you a lot of time. It is a great way to be productive, save on gasoline for your vehicle, and get your work done. If you have a few tasks on the east side of town for 1 week, do them on the same day. Focus on each area of town, one at a time to get the best results. Ease. If you like to group your work by degree of difficulty, then you probably want to prioritize your work by ease. This means that you might feel most comfortable doing your easy daily tasks at the beginning of the day to get them out of the way. You may be the type of person who likes to get the most tasks done early in the morning. If you would rather save the easy tasks for the end of the day, then plan to tackle the difficult tasks in the morning, before you are tired from the day. Thank you for watching. Do check out more self-help, motivational and inspiration resource in the description. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Feel free to like, share and comment.